Welcome back, my beautiful fashionistas. In today's tutorial video, we are seeing some ways that you can make clothes without sewing with a sewing machine. Yes, guys, if you want to make clothes, if you have your ideas in your head and you're like, how can these come into existence? I don't have a sewing machine yet, or I don't want to operate a sewing machine. Guys, crocheting is one of the ways. These are beautiful designs and beautiful inspirations that you can, learn from, that can inspire you to start your dressmaking journey. You don't need a sewing machine, guys. You don't need a sewing machine. Check how beautiful all these clothes can be. All these are crochets, guys. All these beautiful dresses are crochets. I've put the name of the designer or the person who makes all these clothes, all the pictures that I've shared in this video. The person who made them or where I got them from, I've put the names. So look carefully. You're going to be seeing the names, and please go on and support them on Instagram. So see, guys, see, do you see what I see? Crocheting really inspires me too much. The beautiful creations that come out of crocheting just from threads, guys. And you might say, but they are see-through. Not all of them. If you want it to be see-through, you can do so. If you don't want, you can even add lining. And still with that lining, if you don't want to use a sewing machine, you can leave the sewing machine out. You can use your hands to sew. You can use your hands to make such great pieces. So going on, this really inspired me a lot. See this beautiful t-shirt. Beautiful t-shirt. It's by Crochetello. Guys, please check them on Instagram. See, like, look, such a beautiful piece just from your hands. You only need threads. And these days I'm seeing there are some big, really big threads that you're not supposed to crochet for a lot of time to come up with a certain or a great piece like this one. And it's not only clothes. You can make cardigans, you can make capes, you can make bags. You're going to see more in this video. Just watch till the end. I was so inspired. When this year was beginning, I tried to crochet a little bit, but because of time I couldn't. But guys, I'm inspired to go for it. If you can, guys, go for it. Just mix up some colorful colors if I should say, and you will come up with great pieces, great pieces. Like, I think even on the runway I'm seeing a lot of crochet dresses, like crochet pieces, a lot of them, like beach wears, like everything, like cover ups. Oh my god, on the runways this year I've seen many. So everybody is like embracing crocheting. Why not you check? Look at this bag, guys. A bag so unique, you're not going to find it with everybody. Just beautiful, your own design. Like, you can, like, you can use your mind as much as you want and come up with a beautiful piece in a very beautiful color, in different like materials. You not only need to use threads, you can even use some other materials. Like, if you go on and Google this, you're going to see a lot. You'll be so inspired, guys. So if you don't want to sew, guys, today I just want to tell you, please, you can do crocheting. You don't need a sewing machine. You only need threads. These threads are not all that expensive. They are not. And you just need a needle. They have in different sizes, and you can make even capes like this one. So why not? You can still make clothes even without a sewing machine. Yes, try crocheting, and I think I'll be seeing you soon in any of my other videos. Thank you so much for watching. Yvonne Winifred UG. Please promise me that you're going to try out crocheting. Thank you.